I'm Dr. Tom Butcher from NORA, National Oil Heat Research Alliance, and I'm the technical director here. I'd like to welcome you to our Plainview, New York Research and Education Center. As we plan our research initiatives here, we focus on how the liquid fuel heating industry can best serve its customers by advancing safety, reliability, and efficiency while continuing the pathway to incorporate renewable fuels in home heating. The center is divided into two areas of study: combustion and fuel chemistry. Here in our combustion lab, we have a number of liquid fuel-fired appliance test stands that include both hot water boilers and warm air furnaces. These allow us to configure the system settings and vary the fuels used in them with real-time monitoring. We can perform combustion testing, including biofuels compatibility, efficiency, and reliability, as well as pollutant emissions as a measure of combustion quality. With testing protocols and equipment like our NDIR gas analyzer, we can capture the profile of combustion gases like carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, nitrogen oxide, and sulfur dioxide, giving an accurate look at the emissions profiles of any number of controlled system configurations and fuels. We also have test stands where we can simulate years of use on system components. To aid the industry in its increased inclusion of renewable fuels, NORA has apparatus that allow us to switch in real time the blends of renewable fuels in an operating burner. Sensors give us precise readings as to the combustion characteristics, allowing us to predict the operation of the system in the field. In our chemistry lab, we are geared up to make measurements and predictions for all types of liquid heating fuels, with a focus on potential use of biodiesel, renewable diesel, and other renewable fuels. We can identify the amount of biodiesel in a sample. We can look at the stability of fuels and how it changes over time. We can see how much contamination in the form of particulates there is in a fuel sample. We can subject the fuels to extremely low temperatures to determine their cold weather applications. NORA takes in samples from the field to determine the cause and remedy when problems occur, and will collaborate with outside parties to look at developing fuels to see if they have a potential for use in this industry.